Wealth is more attainable than many believe. It's not just about having a high income or winning the lottery. It's about adopting specific strategies and cultivating a mindset that attracts prosperity. This involves learning, planning, and making informed decisions. The journey to financial freedom requires discipline, knowledge, and a clear vision. Setting clear financial goals and sticking to them is crucial. Understanding the principles that govern wealth creation is the first step. These principles include saving, investing wisely, and managing debt effectively. The wealthy employ proven strategies that generate lasting financial security. They diversify their investments and continuously seek new opportunities. By examining these strategies, we can adapt them to our own lives. Learning from the successes and failures of others can guide our financial decisions. The path to wealth is paved with informed decisions and strategic planning. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is essential. True wealth is built on smart financial habits and consistent effort. It's about making the right choices day by day and staying committed to your financial goals. Building wealth starts with a mindset of abundance. It's about believing that opportunities are limitless and that you have the power to seize them. Shift your perspective from scarcity to possibility. Embrace the idea that there is enough for everyone, including you. Focus on what you can control and develop a positive attitude towards money. This means being proactive about your financial decisions and staying optimistic. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Write down positive statements about your financial future and read them daily. Visualize your financial goals and take consistent action. Create a clear picture of what you want to achieve and work towards it every day. A positive mindset fuels action and resilience. It helps you stay motivated even when challenges arise. It fosters creativity and opens your mind to new possibilities. Collaborate with others and explore innovative ideas. Believe in your potential to create wealth. Confidence in your abilities is key to financial success. Cultivate a mindset of abundance to unlock financial possibilities. This mindset will guide you towards making better financial choices and achieving your goals. Financial literacy is the bedrock of sound decision-making. Understand fundamental concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed choices. Equip yourself with financial knowledge to navigate complexities confidently. Take the time to learn about personal finance and investment strategies. Knowledge is power, enabling you to create a life of financial freedom. Embrace continuous learning for financial wisdom. Diversification for prosperity, exploring multiple income streams. Creating multiple income streams accelerates wealth accumulation and mitigates risk. Diversify your sources of income beyond a single paycheck. This can involve side businesses, real estate, or passive income streams. Multiple income streams provide a safety net in economic uncertainty. Diversifying income creates financial resilience and opens new opportunities. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and explore different avenues for income. The power of thrift living below your means. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to financial freedom and peace of mind. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference wisely. This simple principle can transform your financial future. Make conscious choices about spending habits and prioritize long-term goals. Every small decision adds up over time. Living below your means frees up resources for investing and debt reduction. This can lead to greater financial stability. This creates a cycle of saving, investing, and compounding returns. Over time, your wealth can grow exponentially. Living frugally is about smart choices, not deprivation. It's about finding value and joy in simplicity. Small changes in spending habits can significantly impact long-term well-being. Every dollar saved is a step towards financial security. Embrace thrift to empower your financial future. By living below your means, you can achieve your financial dreams and goals. The long game, patience, and consistency in wealth creation. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, consistency, and a long-term perspective. True wealth is built over time through disciplined saving and investing. Stay focused on long-term goals despite market fluctuations. Consistency is key to riding out financial storms. Make regular contributions to savings and investments. Embrace the long game and celebrate your progress.